Welcome to the Video Assister How Do You Know video series, exclusive to Education Queensland schools. The Video Assister is a Flex-based web application supporting the Adobe Flash platform. To run the application, we just simply double-click on the icon. The application takes a moment to load, and we're faced with the intro screen. The intro screen is just a bit of self-promotion, talking about our education exclusive beta program idea that we have, and the support supported by transcoding services. We've got the website down the bottom there, which is our WordPress blog. To move on, just simply click on the screen there, and then we're faced with our videos. Sorry. Now these are just files on the desktop of a server somewhere. The files are totally managed by its system administrator. The system administrator can do anything they need to do: copy, delete, lock, rename, anything. However, the user cannot. The user can only do one thing in this application: it's play the video. And so that's definitely a system administrator's dream, having to not worry about databases and etc. etc. So to play the video, simply left click on the video. As you can see, we've done a video for Cornerstone High School. This is their copyright notice. I'm just going to turn that down, so up to 13 seconds. So one of the main advantages of this application, here you can see it's quite old tape. I'm just going to turn that down a bit more. Okay. One of the key features of this application, depending on network traffic, etc., is how well it scrubs. No lag there at all. So we're going to just press pause so that we can queue the video up to go into full screen mode. So you've already found the video, you've found the position at which you want to show your class, and now you're going to prepare it to go into full screen mode by pressing the secret full screen button. It tells us that the screen can be exited by pressing escape. Now this screen size will fit any modern smart TV, LCD, data projector, computer, even a mobile device. And with all the right cables and a little bit of practice, it's possible to set this up within a couple of minutes of your time in your classroom. So we're just going to press play. You might see this jerking a little bit. That's mainly because the screen resolution is only capturing at 12 frames. It's about 25 frames on my computer at the moment. So we're just going to press pause and press escape. go back to the general display, and obviously you can pick another video. The loading is quite fast. Just a hint for playing back videos using the system, if you give it a couple of moments to catch up so it can read its buffers, it tends to scrub a little bit better, but you'll generally find that you won't have a huge problem on a fast network. 100 megabit network with a reasonable server, which is only probably a couple of years old, this application will run fine. A full class of students, and when I mean full class, I mean like 30 students all playing different videos at the same time, will not suffer any major lag. The application works best when you just press play and just watch something, just like you would in using a VHS system. Generally you wouldn't fast forward and rewind terribly much. However, in this system it's obviously a lot easier, so you can jump around if you need to, but in general you queue it up and you press play in full screen mode, and you exit at the end of the day and you move on. That's about the most of it for this application. This application doesn't do much, it doesn't do little. It is a very, very simple, elegant solution to a problem. As it stands now, this application is deployable in many schools. There is no reason why this application as it stands would certainly serve a purpose, but please bear in mind that this application is going to be under rapid development over the next 6 to 12 months. We're looking for 8 to 10 schools that are interested in developing software for teachers, students and staff using this as a base. We look forward to that opportunity. We have a few other things to say before I go. Just in conclusion, this application's key points are: it's easy to manage for system administrators, it's fast to load and scrub videos, it is extremely easy to master, support group-based learning. By queuing up your video in preparation for your class, by pressing pause, you can wait for your class to come in, settle, and then simply go into full screen mode and press the play button. The application works best when you simply press play and let it play. The video will stop when it's complete. For more information about our exclusive Education Queensland beta program or our video transcoding services or our super hot randy dandy all-you-can-eat tape fest, where we will give you a file from your VHS tape so you can run it through our system. Everything from 1 minute to 3 hours, $10 flat rate, no questions asked, no more to it. Some conditions apply. Most of those conditions are talking about copyright, quantities and postage. But for $10 per tape, you will not get that anywhere else. So please look at our blog if you want to know more about that. The next slide I have here is just a thank you to the Video Assistant team. My name is Jason Martin and company. I would like to personally thank the Corinda State High School in the development of this application. I would especially like to thank Wayne Dunbrack for giving me the opportunity to play with his tapes and talk to him and encourage me about the idea. And of course, all other staff members at Corinda State High School. I miss you greatly. Thank you very much for listening. This is the end of my ramblings. I appreciate your listening, and I hope to speak to you sometime soon. Please read the blog. There will be lots of content available, and thank you very much.